Hi guys, my name is Ayelski and today I'm going to show you how we can access the developer option on MIUI 10. I'm currently using my Xiaomi Mi 5 mobile device and let's get into it. So first, you need to go to my device and click on all specs. As you can see here, I'm running MIUI 10 and click on all specs, and from there, you need to click the MIUI version part, which is this one. It will not show me the how many taps because I'm already a developer. So once you have tapped this multiple times, it will confirm that you are already a developer. And just go back to the main settings menu and then go to additional settings, and from there just scroll down and you will see the developer options. Now, if you would like to disable MIUI optimization, you can go to the bottom part and disable it like that. Hope it helped you guys for those who are trying to search where they can find the developer option for MIUI 10. And if you like this video, please do like it and subscribe for more videos like this.